In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off notifications for memories in Facebook. This is the third video of the series of Facebook memories. If you miss the previous videos, you can watch it after watching this video. Today, I will discuss about how to turn on or off notification for memories. Open the Facebook app. Go to Memories on Facebook. Tap on the profile icon for menu and then go to Memories. Here you will find all the memories of today's date. If you don't find any memory here, it may be there is nothing to show today. You can check again in later. And to turn on or off notification about memories, tap on the setting gear and you will find the section where you can adjust the notification. You will find three options here: all memories. Then if you select all memories, then Facebook will notify you no more than once a day. If you select highlights, then Facebook will notify you only about special video and collections. And if you select none, Facebook won't notify you about memories. It will completely turn off. I am selecting all memories because I love to see the memories. By this way, you can control your Facebook memories notifications. You can turn on or off as your wish. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching.